video for hanger jaw, and the dimensions are in inches. Let's take a look at the first sketch. Alright, basically what I did, I kind of drew it the way it looked and filled in the dimensions as I went along. If you get any distortion, just hit your back button here and try a different route. But I pretty much just followed what I could here and drew it the way it looked, and then filled in the dimensions. Over here is probably going to be the toughest part. Just make sure everything's tangent. Use your tangent command here. And I think maybe this was the last line I drew here. Again, just check your radiuses. Make sure your center point is here. If you draw it and you have the same radius, but maybe your center is down the line here, just take it and drag it over to the corner, and it will adjust it for you. But again, just kind of draw it as it is, fill in the dimensions, and make sure everything's tangent. And once you have that done, you're going to extrude it 3 inches. Okay? Now let's go to sketch 2. Turn this. What I did, I projected the geometry of this surface, got a circle, found the center, and drew it out to the corner. And you'll have a circle like this. And once you have that, just finish sketch and extrude that part up a 1/2 inch. Okay? And then the last thing you're going to do is come in here and use the same center mark here and draw a 1.5 inch diameter circle. And we really don't know, but I extruded it down. Let me just show you. I just extruded it down a 1/2 inch. It doesn't really tell you in the book, but that's how I did it. Okay? Now, for your IDW, we want to set up everything like this, with the front, top, right side, and isometric view here. Make sure your dimensions are in a line. And let's see, we may even put a center mark on that one. And your center mark will be here. Okay, so put these dimensions on, your name, the chapter and exercise number, and a material.